paid my dues time after time. I've done my sentence, but committed no crime.
I've had mistakes, oh I've made a few. I've had my share of sad cakes in my face, and I've made it through.
Baby got back, baby got back, baby got back, baby got back. Let's go, Adrian. You remember the benefit shows we put on back in the day, you know, like Music Speaks and things like that, and stuff that's not necessarily like an AJ Rafael show where I'm playing my album and stuff, you know? That stuff is fun, but to bring people together, like what I do at my house, jamming with people in my house, I want to bring that to the stage here. So Rockwell has allowed us to do that, and also to represent Asian Americans, you know, for an even bigger purpose. Obviously, that's what's important to me.
English is composed of 26 letters, a crappy grammar system, and Americans who still have trouble with there, and there. Example, there are many times when they are taking what isn't theirs. Like my mother's voice, like my heritage, like my culture forged in the tattoos. In English, a word means different things based on context. The word immigrant from Europe means citizen. From anywhere else means illegal or return address. See, it's not that English is so difficult to understand. It's that my mother refuses to be a victim. Fact, Chinese is considered the hardest living language to learn. So my mother is speaking English. She is downgrading a dynasty into a coffee shop for your convenience. She takes colonialism and starts to stutter a syllabus for survival. Her tongue breaking itself to impersonate America. When you hear her accent, you better thank her for trying.
You're going to be singing tonight. Can you tell us a little bit about your set list today?
Yeah, we're going to be doing a parody of A Whole New World. So hopefully we'll get some laughs and, you know, there's some tongue-in-cheek moments and just get people kind of open to the issues that are out there that we all struggle with, being Asians in the arts.
Absolutely.
And get some laughs as well.
Now we have constant flu, like a concert too. We can't go back to Oscars or so crazy rich Asians.
As you can hear in the background, everyone is really amazing, and I'm feeling very nervous about all these professional Mulans here.
How has playing the role of Mulan impacted your life and I guess other people who look up to you as well?
It's awesome and it's empowering, and it's cool to see little girls get so excited about seeing Mulan because, you know, she is a great female role model, and so it's such an honor to get to play her.
A show like this is really important because, you know, it's showcasing all of our different strengths, and yes, we play the same character and we're all fierce at it, but I think it's important to show, yes, there's diversity within the Asian community. There's so many Asian performers in this city alone, and to be able to showcase that in a new light and not just in Mulan is pretty awesome.
Who is that girl I see staring straight back at me? Why is my reflection someone I don't know?
So it's no coincidence that all of you are named Chris. So how long have you guys known each other and how long has this been an act?
About 20 minutes.
Broken hearted people live
but I've been in this crazy business for 20 plus years, so it's not like we haven't been here. It's just, it's nice that there's more visibility, though. That's nice.
Absolutely, and seeing that the talent is finally getting recognized out there as well, and it opens doors for more people in this industry.
Absolutely, and that's the point, you know, because we're trying to pave the way for the future.
Is that all there is? If that's all there is, my friends, then let's keep dancing. Let's break out the grooves and have a ball. That's all there is. My mother tries to set me up with every church-going Filipino. Doctors who look like Bruno Mars, they're really sweet, but not my bingo. Ay nako, that you have to choose. But Mom, I wanna date a Jew. Oh, I gave it all for you. I gave it 'cause it's harder to touch the things that are dearer. I love you too much to trust something clearer. I know I fell too far. Remember me. Though I have to say goodbye. Remember me. Don't let it make you cry. For even if I'm far away, I hold you in my heart. I sing a secret song to you each night we are apart. I'm a girl to be the high school scene. That's why I've just been seen. And soon the ones that I know my name. I'm raising hell and I'm a felon in a 4-foot frame. I just
crazy talented family, a very supportive mother, and yeah, what has it been like growing up with AJ and going to all these events, and now you have a voice and like singing and doing all your stuff, which is amazing, by the way.
Thank you so much. Well, like AJ mentioned, our father passed away. I was only 6 months old, and so AJ is my father figure, and my brother and my best friend and supporter all in one. And he watched me grow and I watched him grow, going from MySpace and now to this, and when he moved to New York, or when he moved to Boston to do a show, and I've got to see all of that, and I'm just so proud and honored. It's more like watching a friend, you know. He is my brother, of course, that's the #1, but he's my best friend too.
So I just have to say this on record, you are one of the most humble, generous, passionate, talented people I know. And to see you lift up others constantly as your mission, it just really is so inspiring. So I just wanted to say thank you.
Thanks, Nicki.
So much. And
you know, we share a heart, and we've been through similar things, and
so much similar stuff.
Yeah, and you know, you've been doing the same exact thing. So
yeah. Well, what is your hope for tonight after everybody sees this beautiful display of music?
Everyone to be happy in the room, and I want people to feel empowered, like my sister after we watched Crazy Rich Asians, she was like, I feel seen, you know, and in that medium. And if someone tonight in the audience is like, yo, this is amazing, this is somebody who reflects, you know, what I've been going through in a way that traditional media can't, you know, then that's what's important. So. Love you, Nicki.
I love you too.
Like AJ was saying earlier in
the show. I hope that in 20, 30 years we won't have to have like an all Asian, like crazy rich, crazy talented Asians event. I hope it'll just be the norm to see Asian faces in entertainment. But for now, I just think this is so special and incredible. So I'm really grateful to be a part of it.
Thank you guys.
I think it's refreshing to see kindness among everything still being the #1 thing that is so important to everybody.
We just really appreciate it.
Yes, yes.
Thank you, Dee.
And the #1 kindest guy in the world, AJ
Yes.
Rafael, everyone.
We're just talking about kindness, to be kind, and we were just talking about you.
Well,
Yeah.
came in at the right time.
Yes.